Groups and locations. Groups and locations are set up by a supervisor in PACE Admin. I want to take a few moments to show you how we assign access and privileges to employees based on their role. These groups are completely customizable and can be added, changed, or deleted. Here is an example of some of the groups that are commonly used. Here is what we use as a standard employee group. To assign an employee to a group, you just check the box. You can see which employees are already assigned on this list. Select which privileges they should have access to. Privileges refer to the menu items and functions they are able to perform in PACE. You will also choose which tasks they are allowed to log into at the project level. For basic employee access, we have chosen tasks such as break, mail opening, team meeting, and training. Finally, you will select which reports and control documents they should have access to. Now we will look at our admin group. This group is set up for those with supervisor access, so just a handful of people. These folks have been granted most of the available privileges and tasks. We have separate groups for paper operations, and for data entry. So what if you have an employee who is cross-trained to do more than one job? Kimberly Webster performs both paper operations and data entry duties, and therefore has been assigned to both of these groups. This system tracks which job she is performing, and you are able to see her performance numbers separately for each role. Another benefit of PACE is that it can allocate and track work in more than one processing location. In this scenario, we have offices in Boston, Manchester, and Portsmouth. Kimberly works at the Portsmouth location. She only has access to the customers that are processed in Portsmouth. Let's say that Kimberly is doing the scanning tasks for the Municipal Docs project, but you need someone to begin the data entry tasks. Well, Jeremiah is available, but he works in the Boston office. So if we go into the customer and we look at the locations, you can see that the customer is set up in the Portsmouth location. And all you have to do is check the box to make them available for the Boston employees as well. So now Jeremiah is able to help out even though he is in another location. And when you run reports, they are location specific, so you can see exactly what tasks are done at what location and have a great breakdown of the workflow.